Meaning of earn.
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 Earn. The term earn refers to the act of receiving payment or rewards in exchange for work, services, or investment. It is the result of putting forth effort and contributing value to an organization or business. Earning can also refer to the accumulation of profits or income from investments, such as stocks or real estate. The ability to earn is an essential aspect of financial security and stability, providing individuals with the means to support themselves and their families. Overall, earning is a critical component of economic activity and personal success.